In a hearing setting, we've had instances where we've caught the defense counsel saying something that just was absolutely untrue. That alone is just worth its weight in gold, because really that's my favorite thing in the world. Not that all defense counsel are bad, but as a plaintiff's attorney, I'm always looking for their misconstructions, as I like to call them. But for appellate purposes, I don't necessarily think that we catch things that we point out, but we obviously will catch things that we know could be an appellate issue. So, trying to think. I know there was a trial one time where the defendants objected to a piece of a particular photo that we had sought to admit, and the judge allowed it. And so I marked that thinking, did we really need that photo, or was it a little too dangerous, as a potential issue? And those things they do come back in appeal because they're going to be on your list of issues.
I had a question come into our chat. How did it go down? Were you able to show their inconsistency in the moment?
Oh, at the hearing, so
Mm.
to speak, it was the attorney had said, "Well, Your Honor, nurse such and such testified that." Well, let me check TranscriptPad, because wait, no, they didn't. And absolutely didn't. You can show the entire excerpt where that discussion was had. And I literally turned my iPad around to, my co-counsel right here. And I said, look at this. And he goes, "Oops." So we stood up, Your Honor, if we may. And we literally walked to the bench, turned my iPad around and said, Your Honor, here's the excerpt from that part of the deposition of nurse such and such. They didn't say that. And so, that kind of worked out well for us.